class. Today we'll talk about how can you disable sound effects on your couch app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then you come to next here. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. Then come to this list. Then all you have to do, just you come here to sound effects, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me. Sound effects, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you all get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.